So today we will add the last component, that is our app.js. So inside the app.js I am having import React and component both, and I'm also importing the header because we will display the header. Next we are importing the Tesla battery, and we have all other components inside Tesla battery. Next we are creating the const counter default value. We have already used this inside our other components. Here we have two attributes. Here we have speed. The title is set to speed, unit is set to mph, that is miles per hour. The step is 5, and the minimum value of speed will be 45 and maximum will be 70. So this is the default value which we will be displaying. Next attribute is the temperature. Temperature will also have a title. It will have outside temperature. The unit will be an empty string. The step will be 10. It will have a minimum value of -10 and a maximum of 40. So we will display any changes in between these ranges. Now we will just convert our app into a class component, that is class app extends component, and inside the render method we have given the div a class name of app. Here we are displaying our header and Tesla battery, in which the counter default val is defined, is given the value counter default val. So that is it about the app.js, and after that we will add the css to our project, and then we will be good to go. We are keeping the app.js file very simple so that we do not have any issues. We are not using a lot of Redux or complex concepts here, and in case of errors or any issue with the code, you can visit the GitHub link which I have provided in the description, and you can match your code from there if you do not get any of the codes right. So now in the index.css we have a font family set to Roboto normal. The source is set to a URL, and the format is also set to different thing. The font weight is set to normal, and the font style is also set to normal. Again we have before and after. So box sizing will be border box, margin of 0, padding of 0. The font is set to Helvetica, and you can add any according to your choice. The cf before and cf after has a content of an empty string and a display of table, so the format will be displayed in a table. And the cf after has clear both, and cf has a zoom of 1. Now for the app.css we don't have much of the css. It's just a wrapper where it has a margin of 100 pixels, 0 and 150 pixels. So now after saving all our files, we will compile it, and then you will be able to see the final output. So as you can see that we have different models: 60, 60D, 75, 75D, 90D and P100D. We have displayed all our models here. We have used these values, and you can see some of the things are set to default right now. That is, the speed is set to 55 mph, the outside temperature is 20, the wheels is set to 19. Let us set it to 21. You can see the difference. This number of spokes in the wheel has increased. If you set it to 19, it will go back to that. Now if we do AC off, then you can see the values change according to that, the preferences that we have inserted into our Tesla battery services.js. so that is being displayed here. We can also play with the speed and the outside temperature. We can increase or decrease it, and the Tesla notice is taking the lower place where we have displayed it, and you can also increase or decrease the speed according to that, and we will get the output according to that which we have inserted into our battery.js. So that's it about Tesla project. We'll see you in the next video.